Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add custom locations on your Instagram story. So here, I'm going to start by opening the Instagram story camera. For example, I'm going to just open this photos right here. Then if you want to add a location, you can easily just tap on the sticker icon at the top and then tap on locations in here, and then here you can see these are the near me location. But if you want to, let's say, add the locations that's not in here, you can just click on the search for locations and then just type in the locations that you want. For example, I'm going to go with let's try Qatar. Okay, you can see there will be this option. You can just tap on the location, and here, just like that, the custom location, which is not real, will be added to the Instagram story. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.